Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Gasoline markets change fast when the government steps in with a binding price ceiling. Let's solve this economics puzzle together in just 60 seconds. A binding price ceiling is a legal maximum price set below the natural market equilibrium. This creates an immediate shortage because the price is forced down by the government's mandate. According to the law of demand, when the price of a good falls, consumers naturally want to buy more of it. This leads to a higher quantity demanded for gasoline. This price control does not shift the demand curve. It only moves along the curve, making option C the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check your steps.